That's the main benefit, guys.
That's the beauty of it.
Using business credit cards is they have higher limits. You're able to charge way more on them a lot of the times. And most importantly, it does not affect your personal credit to the same degree as when you use a personal credit card. When you use a personal credit card and you go 30% over utilization, they're going to ding your credit pretty hard. But if you have a business credit card and you spend $100,000, it's not going to have the same effect on your personal credit score because it's a business credit card.
Yeah, well said. I think as well, don't forget that with business credit cards, you can also get better rates, and you get higher limits, like you said before.
Way higher limits, yeah.
But keep in mind, too, as well, with the business credit cards, if you don't have actual credit from before, like it's hard to get the card, like personal guarantees that we said earlier. So that's a good point.
Yeah, so just keep that in mind, guys, that you want to have good personal credit so that you can get your business credit line open, and then you can start charging on your business credit card. And we got 5 business credit cards for you guys today that you can use that will help you in your entrepreneurial ventures.
Yeah, and then one more thing as well for business. If you're using credit cards for business, purchases, if let's say you have employees, right, that you work with on a daily.
Oh, yeah.
You can get their own cards from your actual account, but you can manage their expenditure way easier. See what they spent for the month, and then tally it up for your taxes as well.
Good point.